Guys, welcome. How you doing? Happy Sunday. Welcome to my channel. This is Peggy Skincare. If you're stopping by for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscription button below, thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you're going to be updated with any videos I'll be posting. So quickly, I'll be making a tutorials on how to make your Arabian whitening body milk. So without wasting much time, I'm going to introduce to you guys what I'm going to use to formulate this recipe. So quickly, I'll be working with my glutathione lotion. This is glutathione terminal white strong whitening milk. This lotion is very active on its own. You can use this lotion without mixing anything and you're going to get great results. You can order this lotion online or you can order from me. I sell every organic ingredient. If you need any organic pro-mixing ingredients or a product, please feel free to contact us. If you have any inquiries, complaint, or any purchase, you're free to WhatsApp us. So quickly, this lotion, like I said, is strong whitening milk. It works on its own effects without mixing it up. So I'll be using this lotion as my best cream to formulate Arabian whitening strong lotion or strong milk. So this lotion itself is made up of glutathione injection and is a very strong whitening milk and it's very effective. This is 400 ml. So you can use this lotion if you want to achieve this whitening effect, or if you want to have like 2 to 3 shades lighter than your current shades, you can use this lotion like this. But if you want to have this whitening effect, you can also pro-mix it. So I'll be pro-mixing this lotion. What I'll be using to pro-mix this lotion is more of oil based. I'll be using a lot of oil to pro-mix this lotion. Let me show you guys what I'll be using to make this formulation. So like I said, this is my best cream. This is the black one. It has the blue, the orange, and the black. Okay, so I'll be using this strong whitening milk. And also I'll be using this serum called BB Clear serum. It's made up of AHA. Okay, it's a very good serum. It beautifies and unifies the skin. So I'll be using is a lightening care serum. So I'll be working with this serum. So it's going to help moisturize your skin nicely. So I'll be working with this serum, my Tient Diamond Collagen Concentrate Anti-Tache Serum. This is a collagen serum. This serum is very good. This serum can go for the face and the body. It's made of collagen. It's going to help boost the collagen on your skin. It's going to help correct. I know it's an anti-tache serum. It's great. So I'll be working with this. And also I'll be working with my Action Miracle serum. This serum is very good. Lightens the skin very well and does not give you dark knuckles. It doesn't break you out. It doesn't give you hyperpigmentations. It doesn't discolorate your skin. This formulation, okay, is going to help give you this beautifying skin tone without any discoloration. And also I'll be putting, sorry about my skin free milk. I've used this milk already, so the label is torn out. This is my skin free milk, so I'll be using my skin free milk. So quickly, let's get down working. So I'll turn in my glutathione injection lotion into my bowl. It's a whitening milk. It looks so creamy. So this is 400 ml. So I'm going to use everything. So I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of my skin free milk. This is a beautifying milk. It's going to help balance your skin tone and help in repairing your skin. So that's 2. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of my BB Clear AHA serum. It has a dropper, but I won't be using my dropper. This formulation is going to whiten your skin smooth and lovely. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Please, for those that cannot afford this lotion, because this lotion is kind of expensive, you can use any best cream of your choice. Now, to get this right, I'm working with this cream. As you can see, I'm not mixing so much. It's more of oil base. Okay, more of oil in the best cream. So there's no tube here, so this cream is going to turn out so well. Like I said, that cream can lighten you without mixing. So the more reason why I'm using this oil is because I want it to help moisturize, because there's some lotion that is lightening, or it's going to whiten you, but it doesn't moisturize your skin because it doesn't have oil in it. So that's the more reason why I'm using oil. It's going to turn out well both in raining and dry season. This is so lovely. So I'll be adding my Action Miracle serum. 1 and 2. Please, whatever best cream you're going to use, make sure you use best cream that is thick. Don't use best cream that is light already. If not, the formulation will turn out watery. So I'll be using my Tient Diamond Collagen. I use 2 tablespoons of my Tient Diamond Collagen into the mixture. One and 2. So I'm going to stir this properly and use my stick blender to blend it. Please try and use your stick blender so everything will mix out very well and smooth. So stay tuned, let me blend this and we'll be right back. Hi guys, as you can see, this is properly mixed. I use my stick blender to mix to have this consistency. Okay, when I pour this into my container, it's going to turn out to be 500 ml. Please don't forget the lotion itself, the best cream itself is 400 ml, but after mixing this, it's going to produce 500 ml, like extra 100 ml. So this is it. It's thick and creamy. So guys, if you find this video really helpful, don't forget to click that red button below, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and turn on your notification bell. See you guys next time. Bye.